Are you looking for that great Boston whaler, you know, the Unsinkable legend? Then come with me for a quick walk-around tour on Hutch's Honey. It's a 2012 170 Montauk and very well powered with a Mercury 90 horsepower EFI outboard motor. Of course, it's 4-stroke. She has about 130 hours on it. We just put a brand new impeller on her, so she's ready to go for the next owner for the season. She sits on a single axle galvanized trailer with a swing away tongue to save on storage length. Has a Bimini center console cover and a full boat cover to protect her when not in use. So come with me for a nice walk around tour on Hutch's Honey here at South Mountain Yachts. Here we are, starting off forward starboard on this 170 Montauk Boston whaler. We see she sits on a single axle galvanized trailer with a swing away tongue. Coming down along the side, we've got our CF numbers and current registration. This is just dock rash that'll rub off with some acetone. There's no intrusions into the gel coat itself. Here we are at the transom. We see we have our transducer and our Mercury 90 horsepower EFI engine with the stainless steel prop. She's got a brand new impeller on that, so she's ready for the season. Let's go ahead and start it. Here we have a cold start on this Merc Cruiser engine. We just put a new impeller in. And let's see, can we rev it a little? Pushing out water as it should, all set, ready to go for the next owner. On this side, we have our 2-step boarding ladder and a little swim step. Coming down port, this gives us a view of this side of the vessel, and from here, we're gonna go aboard. Here we are aboard this 170 Montauk, and we see in front of us the leaning post seat, the center console, and then looking forward, we see there's a lot of room to walk around. Under the seat, we have these dual 6-gallon fuel tanks, which could be removed for one larger fuel tank with a sending unit. At the transom, we have our jump seats and our Mercury 90 horsepower EFI engine right there with the new impeller. Down along starboard, you see we have clips for a boat hook and our nighttime running light. Circling to the helm, we see we've got our stainless steel ship's wheel, compass, GS 541S Garmin unit, throttle right there with a couple cup holders, and you see there's enough room to add a stereo right in there. Gauges include our tach, voltmeter, and PSI oil pressure gauge right there. We've got a solid plexiglass windscreen right there with a nice safety rail all the way around to hold on when we're underway. Here at the center console, we've got storage right there. We keep our battery and a few other accessories. Moving forward, we see we've got the cooler seat with a seat cover, forward bow cushion. Under that, there's a nice anchor and storage locker, and we've got our stainless steel Bimini right there. Circling around, this gives us another view of the center console. We see we've got a backrest and 4 rod holders right there. Now on this side of the center console, there's room for tackle storage and a fire extinguisher right there. This 2012 Boston Whaler is ready for the next owner. Fun little boat of the Unsinkable legend. Viewer today, owner tomorrow, here at South Mountain Yachts.